Would you guys believe me if I told you that I had filmed 5 videos and not posted a single one of them? I was in Arizona, I filmed a video. I filmed a video fixing Isaiah's IS300 that you guys never heard about. Some other shit, and none of it got posted. Because I never think the content's good enough. And then I realized that every one of you guys DM me, it's like post, 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 and I never do. And then I get pissed off at myself that I'm not active, and then that leads to me not posting even more. And I know it doesn't make sense, but none of it does. But today this changes. If you're seeing this, then I promise. Check this out. Okay, there's a dude in my area. He goes by Ruthless Spec, if it'll focus. He used to go by Ruthless E92, and he has probably the cleanest 335 you'll ever see. So he's selling his OEM M Performance electronic V2 steering wheel, right? It has the shift light and everything in it. Yeah, so I want that. Yeah, so what I need to do is probably make my fucking bed. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh, and I also want to show you guys. I went and picked up a 126334 Rolex Datejust. I absolutely love this thing. If you're into watches, you'll care. If not, you don't care. It's okay. Fluted bezel on a Jubilee, just like my dream combo. Here's this ancient thing, been sitting in hibernation for... Jesus Christ, my key's dead too. Hey, that's where my other shaker is. Oh, dude. Bro, I don't know if you guys know, but if you leave protein shake... I don't know why I just said it like that. But if you leave fucking like protein powder in a shaker, it smells horrible. Alright, here's what it looks like before. So you guys remember, just a stupid circle. Just kind of ugly, it's faded from the sun. Alright, I went and picked up my tools, pulled off the airbag. All you had to do is stick the screwdriver right in the sides of the wheel right there and it pops out. And then you pull these connectors out and then these connectors right here. And now it's ready to take the wheel off. Fuck. Oh, I got it. Oh shit, that was easy. That's my first time ever taking a steering wheel off a car. Now I can get to this trim piece. But now I have to take this connector right here and depin it, and that's what I'm gonna trade him for the new one. So I just gotta make sure I know exactly where all those wires go into it, because that's super important. 760. Can I get a grande iced vanilla latte? And can I do that with almond milk? Yo. I just got my coffee and then she was like, yeah, you got the almond milk latte? I was like, yeah. She's like, the person in front of you paid. What? That's so freaking clutch. That's so nice. Guy, I need to do something good for somebody else. Whoa, that's crazy. That's never happened to me before. That's so nice. I don't even remember what the car looked like in front of me too. Here's what we got. It looks actually super nice. He had another one of these that I think I should go buy from him. It's a different trim piece that looks way better, but the wheel looks nice. And I got this wiring harness for it, so I gotta figure out that. Unfortunately, this is the wiring harness I need to install to make this wheel work. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to figure out now. Okay, unfortunately, I do not want to work on that right now. I am leaving to Ellensburg this weekend for a few days, just until Sunday. I want to go to the gym before I leave, and I won't have time unless I go right now. You guys ready for leg day though? Not too shabby, huh? Quick update, it's a different day. I've been messing with it for a few hours now. It's been taking me a super long time because I'm just trying to go slow and be smart about it, but I pulled this off down here and spliced in the beginning of the harness. I just had to depin a plug and then add that one in and then pull the 2 wires that I depinned off and put it into this plug, and it just kind of splices the two together. Once I pull the whole center console off, I'll just be able to route it way cleaner and actually zip tie it up and make it nice, because I don't want to do this half-ass. I just had the entire center console pulled out so I could route those wires through, and it actually looks like factory now. Like, you'll never be able to see anything. And I know in my head that it looks good, so I am hyped. Okay, I plugged the battery in because I want to see if the wheel ends up working. I don't know if the power source that I tapped into is gonna work, but I'm getting this warning light for an airbag and it's kind of sketching me out. I guess I'll just start it if it blows up in my face. That would suck. My lights aren't working though. I just redid the wiring and then fired it up and it actually lit up and it's telling me my temps. That's fucking sick. I gotta figure out the settings now. A lot of messing around to do with the settings, but I'm pretty stoked that it works. I completed the install. Now I'm just gonna button up the rest of the interior and make sure it's all secured in the way it was, and then I'm gonna take it for a drive to the gym and see if the RPM lights work. I want to test it right now, but I just don't want to rev it in my parking garage. I gotta say, kind of proud of the install. I'm happy that it is finally completed. It's always a kind of, oh, the brightness, because I'm holding the sun. It's always kind of a rewarding feeling when you complete a project. I know it's small, just like a steering wheel, but it can be kind of a challenge, so it's kind of fun when it comes to an end and it finally works. All right. Going a little bit of a POV drive. There's the old steering wheel. I really can't believe the difference. The new one looks so much better. I need to get rid of that airbag light though, and the service engine soon light, and the tire pressure light. I need to route these a better way. This is my boy Patrick's new SQ5, hella clean. Super nice car. Hopefully the RPM lights work. I was messing with the settings earlier and then they just started flashing green and it was kind of weird. Went and picked up a little goodie for this thing. Of course it's raining now. You guys can still get the little feel of it though. I'll turn off traction control. is all she wrote. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm hopefully gonna be uploading more, but I always say that and it never happens, so peace.